Changing your verification method on Gmail can enhance your account security and ensure you have access to your account. Follow these steps to update your verification method. Step 1. Sign into your Gmail account. Open your web browser and go to the Gmail website. Enter your email address and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access your Google account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture or initial in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Manage your Google account. Step 3. Navigate to Security Settings. In the Google account settings, find the Security tab on the left sidebar. Click on it to access your security settings. Step 4. Update your two-step verification. Scroll down to the Signing into Google section. Click on two-step verification and enter your password again if prompted. Here, you can change your verification method by selecting options like phone number, authenticator app, or backup codes. Step 5. Follow the prompts to complete the change. Choose your desired verification method and follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. Make sure to save any changes you make. By following these steps, you can successfully change your verification method on Gmail, enhancing your account security. Remember to keep your recovery options updated to avoid any access issues in the future.